Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bukola Good. If you're new here, you guys are highly welcome back to my channel and to my new subscribers. If you are, stopping by on this channel for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Consider subscribing and joining us in this family. So guys, welcome back. And I'm just quickly going to run this whole video for you guys because I'm super excited about this. So today it's a new brand video. I think I haven't done something basically like this before. So on this video today, I have a box that I'm going to be unboxing with you guys. Basically, this box comes exactly like this. It is called the SnackSurprise. This is how the box comes. This is a box full of varieties of snacks from a particular country. So this is how it actually works. This box actually it comes in about, I think, small, medium and premium. So this is what you do. You have to subscribe to the SnackSurprise website, whereby you get snack delivered to your house, to your doorstep, every single month from different countries. So you're going to be trying out different countries snacks every single month when you subscribe to SnackSurprise. So today I have a box with me. I think this is like the medium box, I guess. So I'm going to be trying out the snacks that I was sent, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. So let's just start and unbox and review the snacks. To be honest, I don't know what country I have in here, so I'm just going to unbox and see if I have delivery tasty snacks from around the world. Guys, check that out. Yep, and it says a new country every month. And unbox this. Ready? Are you guys ready? Yeah, there we go. Oh, so I have my snacks from Denmark. Oh, so this is what I have in here. Wow, it's quite a lot. I even have a drink. Okay. Fax Condi. Yeah. Let's try this out, guys. I'm going to be trying this out with you guys. So just a quick one. Let me go through this quickly and see what we have. Facts about Denmark here. Why am I saying Denmark here? There's a station here that is Denmark here. Since time I see Denmark, I always put the hill. I'm so sorry, guys. It is Denmark. So fact about the country and things you need to know about Denmark. I'm sure. Oh, this is the original box. I have the original box with me. Yes, there is it, guys. Can you guys see? Oh, yeah. And this is the mini box. Can you see? And also this is the premium. Wow. All these you have premium in all to subscribe for each month. I think for mini box you have to subscribe for like $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. If I am wrong, I'm going to put the exact subscription fee down below so you guys I can be sure I'm not saying the wrong thing. And this is the original box. If you subscribe, this is what you'll be getting every month. I'm definitely going to be putting the exact fee you have to pay every single month, and also for the premium as well. I'm going to be putting the price of the subscription as well. So let's just go ahead and try the snacks. I can't even wait. I cannot wait. So are you guys ready? Yeah. This is how it looks like, and it's here as well. I'm just going to see what it's all about. So the chips are classic from the 1987. The Kim snack chips are rich with delicious flavor and extraordinary crisps in it. So let's just go ahead and open this. Wow, I love the smell. Ooh. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Mm. Wow. This is very, very crispy. I like it. It tastes like, you know, the regular crepes we have here in the UK, but this is a bit thicker because you can see how thick this is. It's not as thin as the one we have, but I like the fact that tastes good. I love the flavor. It tastes like it has like a barbecue sauce. I actually like it. Let me try one more. Now we'll go to the next one. But I like this skim snack chips a lot. Something I really want to munch on when I'm, Netflix and chill with my, soft drink or probably like my apple juice. This is very perfect. I like this. I'm definitely going to be keeping this one for myself. It's weekend, so I can enjoy this and, Netflix together. So let's go for the next one. The American grill here, which says it is a thinly cut rich potato chips fried in sunflower oil, and it is lightly smoked in barbecue flavor and tomato and onion. So let's just go ahead and try this out. I actually can't wait because I actually can't wait. This you guys need to listen to the crispiness. This is a bit lighter, it's a bit thinner, like it's not as thick as that the what is it called, the snack chips, while this is a bit like it is more tinier than that one. So let's give it a shot. Wow, I like this as well. I like it. It has all the flavor. It has the tomato. You can feel the tomato inside because it actually not like, you know how tomato actually tastes. You can feel the tomato taste in it, and also the onions in it. It has a nice onion flavor. I never tried something like this for me. I love it. Yeah, this 10/10 for me. Can you guys? I don't know if you guys can see. This is called the Tom Pinguis blending. So we are just going to go ahead and try this. I really want to know how this tastes. Okay, this is how it looks. One out of many in here. It's like I don't know, because we have something like this here. It's called Eribo. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'm just going to go ahead and whoa. I like this flavor I'm having. Let me see if I can have one more. One more. Say this. Say this. We never give up. Yeah. I hope I have one more. Yeah, exactly. There we go. I'm gonna have this one. I like this. This has like the black currant. Like you can feel the black currant in this. The previous one was like a mint, which I love. But I'm trying to get this out. All of this. Yeah. This melts in my mouth. Wow. A yes for me. A yes. Maybe some days that you really want to feel like probably you feel so peckish and you want to just munch on something sweet. This is a yes for me. I actually like it. It is the what's this? flippers, flipper, flipper with, remember, the classic sweet and fruity marshmallow. Oh, marshmallow. I think I'm just going to keep this one because I'm not really a fan of marshmallow, actually. To be honest, I am not. But I'm just going to keep this one. But I'm very sure it's going to taste really good and taste really sweet because it says it has the sweet and fruity marshmallow. So, through the next one. The next one, which is it's called Orange Stag. Orange Stag. Sorry. Orange Stag. This looks like a chocolate, yeah, crunchy milk chocolate. Yeah, it's a bar chocolate with burst of orange. So this is a chocolate bar. It's mixed with orange flavor. So definitely this will be something I really want to try. But right now, because I don't want to take so much sweet thing, so I'm just definitely going to put this aside and have this snack on later on. Maybe maybe sometimes sweet. But this is something I really want to try. This is called the orange stank, orange stank. I don't know why I'm calling orange stank. So let's try on the next one, which is called the Scum Banana. Scum Banana. Yeah, it is. Scum Banana is a true Danish classic and it is still an icon sweet. It is a fluffy banana marshmallow cover in dark chocolate. So I just be keeping this. So this is one of the snacks you'll be having in your box. And also we have the Yankee Model. This is something I really want to try as well. I'm definitely going to enjoy these, especially my husband, because my husband really likes chocolate bar. So this he will like. This is a Yankee bar with the force developed right after the WWT to give the American soldiers a taste of chocolate from. Oh wow, I like the history. I'm definitely going to be trying this. So let's keep that aside. I heard also have the this says plum in Mandarin. So I think this is it's a chocolate as well, right? It's a dark chocolate sweet. Anton Berg Mini says it's a plum in Mandarin. It's another icon Danish sweet. It's a dark chocolate biscuit with plum, and this is a mix of flavor work perfectly together. So this is something I really want to try. Let's just see what's inside here and let's give it a try. Okay. Whoa. Do you see that? Mm. Whoa. Wow. Mm. Wow. I love the taste. I don't want to say the chocolate biscuit. It's like, it says it's been since 1884. 1884. Wow. What a long year. Superb. I love it. I absolutely love this one. So inside the box as well, I've got this lovely toffee sweets. There we go. It's in here. It's a golden toffee. This we try. Should we try? Okay. This is how it goes. Flip. Open. 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 Yeah. This is how it is. I like it. I like it. Yes. That's a yes for me. I love how caramelized this is for me. I don't know how to explain it, but it tastes so good. The toffee in it is well done, and the taste is classic. I mean, classic toffee. I really do like it. I have one more. Okay. god. It's a yes for me. I really like it. I have a drink, guys. I have a lot in this box. So this is a drink. This drink is called the Fat Candy. It's a delicious, refreshing drink with a subtle lemon flavor. It's pretty similar to 7 Up. That's what it says in this book. So let me just go ahead and open this up. Yeah, well done. So let's have a taste. So refreshing. Wow. I pretty like it. I think I would go if this is available to buy in the UK. I kind of prefer this to 7 Up itself because 7 Up has this so many gassy, effects, but this is not as much gassy as 7 Up, which I like, and it's sparkling as well, like 7 Up, but the sparkling is not as much as how 7 Up is, which makes this make more sense to me personally. Well, I like this one. It's a drink you will really enjoy anytime. Ooh, what's that? What's this? I have one more thing. Spunk Vigumi. Sponge. Spunk. Whoa, look at that. Let's just see what this entails. Okay, Sprite music. Okay. Ah. It says it's a fruity, flavored red, yellow, green, and orange white gum. So it's a gum. Let's see how this is. Chewable. Wow. Like this, no, this gummy sweet. Well, it's pretty fun. Kids will definitely like this one. And I love the pack. The fact that you can keep this in the pack and just put it in your bag and chew it along on the go. So I like it. Very flavored. It has nice orange, black orange, berries. I don't know what other flavors do we have there. Let me try this yellow. This is all I have in my box with my drink. Yeah. So pretty much what I have for you guys in this video. I know I'm the one enjoying it right now. You guys don't even know how it tastes, but I'm telling you this tastes good. So just you guys can check the description, my description box. I'm going to leave the link to their website and how you can subscribe as well. Because guys, why not? Even if you don't have to travel all over the world, you can as well have a taste of every single country just sitting down in your home, guys. So this, I feel like it's a really great innovation for you to have a taste of how the whole world snacks or food tastes like. Why not give it a try? Because this is something I'm definitely going to subscribe to these, and I'll give it a go. So just to cut the series short, check my description box, guys, and see how this works. And until then, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Let me just go and enjoy my creep. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye bye.